Following the standoff between India and Nigeria over the death of a Nigerian national in Goa, the state's Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has taken an aggressive stand, saying that all Nigerians staying illegally in Goa will soon be deported.
There is one issue where a murder has taken place.
Okay.
And Nigerians need not be worried that we will ensure that justice is done in that case.
Okay.
The second issue is some of them attacking police horse van on a national highway and blocking the national highway and committing some illegal activities on the national highway, for which we have booked up the case.
Okay.
There is attempted attack on the police officer also is there. So 307, mob, all those cases are booked. The third issue which cropped up because of this incident is regarding many foreigners staying illegally in the state.
Okay.
Being a touristic state, many of them come here and stay illegally beyond the visa period. Some don't have proper documentation. So I have issued instruction to the police that they should check, verify the documents. And those who have got legal document can very well stay, no problem. But those who have got illegal, who are staying illegally, and I am making this underline, and it is only not for Nigerian alone, it is for any foreigner. If he is staying illegally in the state without proper documentation, he will be deported.
What's your view on what is the Goa government is planning to do? Because the murder is some connections with the drug trafficking.
Possibly. And we have been cracking down. Unluckily, during past, before my government came, for 5 years, as you know, drug was a major issue, where even the Home Minister's son has been one of the person who has been alleged to have links. And there's a case, CBI has taken up a case. Whether they find, recently a House Committee report also indicates same thing. Whether things will be proved or not, I am not aware. But there were question marks raised. And more so, let the political part of it be apart, the PI of the narcotic cell and many of the other officers were arrested by various authorities, including CBI, for being involved in the narcotics.
Okay.
So the full narcotic cell had to be abandoned when I came. And narcotics does not happen by normal investigation. It's an intelligence network building. We are doing that, and we have increased lot of catch these days.